Have you ever been there? That moment where, bam, an unexpected expense just lands in your lap. Maybe it's a surprise bill, or the car suddenly needs $1,000 in repairs,
Yeah.
or maybe you just need a little help stretching to the next paycheck. It's that feeling, right? Needing
Yeah.
cash, needing it now, and without jumping through a million hoops.
Hmm.
Well, today we're doing a deep dive into one potential solution for those moments: no credit check loans. And we've got some source material here focusing on a specific offer for folks in California.
Exactly. And what we're going to do is really unpack this piece of information. We're not just skimming, we're looking at the key details, what they claim are the benefits, the requirements they list out, basically trying to give you a clear picture of what this specific offer entails based purely on what the source tells us.
Okay, let's get into it then. The source really hits on this core problem first:
Yeah.
needing fast cash.
Mm.
For when the usual routes, banks, maybe credit unions are either too slow or just not an option for whatever reason.
Right. They frame it as an immediate solution for an immediate need.
And the headline grabber, the thing that really stands out, is that no credit check piece. That's presented as a massive benefit, especially if, your credit history isn't perfect. The source puts it bluntly: your credit score won't hold you back. That's a powerful statement.
It really is. And what's interesting there from a lending perspective is what that means operationally. If you're not checking credit, what are you looking at? The source links this directly to the ideas of fast approval and a simple application.
Ah, okay. So less focus on the past, more on the now.
Pretty much. It suggests they're prioritizing your current ability to repay, likely based on income, rather than digging deep into credit history. That's how they can promise to get funds to you quickly when you need them most. And they mention a specific figure too, up to $900.
Gotcha. So the source points to a specific provider for this, 15mfinance.org, and it calls them a trusted lender. That phrasing definitely aims to build some confidence right off the bat.
It does. Language like that is important in financial materials.
Then it gets into the terms. The source makes some pretty direct promises. It says, no hidden fees, no crazy interest rates, just straightforward cash when you need it.
Mm.
That sounds, well, very appealing, especially in the context of quick, accessible loans. What should we make of such strong claims?
Well, based only on what the source says, the emphasis is clearly on transparency and simplicity. When someone needs cash fast, they often don't have time to wade through complex fee structures. So the promise of no hidden fees and straightforward cash is designed to address that head on. The source presents it as 15mfinance.org, offering a very clear, direct path to the funds, unlike maybe more complicated lending processes.
Yeah.
Clarity is the selling point here, according to the material.
Right, makes sense. And the process itself, the source lays out 3 easy steps. Step 1, visit 15mfinance.org, fill out the quick online form. Sounds standard. Step 2, get approved instantly. No long waits or paperwork. Instant approval. That's quick.
Very quick. That aligns with the no credit check idea, fewer data points to verify, potentially.
And then step 3, receive your cash funds deposited straight to your account. Boom. Done.
That's the process as described. Streamlined, fast.
Okay, here's where it gets really interesting for me. If the credit score isn't the main thing, what does get you through the door? What are the actual requirements?
Good question. And the source is quite specific on this. It lists 3 key criteria. First, you have to be a California resident, so geographically limited.
Okay.
Second, you need to be 18 plus years old, standard legal age.
Right.
And third, and this seems crucial given the no credit check aspect, you need a steady income. And they even add, even if it's small.
So that's the focus. Not how much you earn necessarily, but that it's steady.
Exactly. Based purely on the source, their eligibility model seems built around verifying that consistent income stream. It suggests they're assessing your current ability to repay, rather than relying on past credit behavior captured in a score. Present financial stability is key.
Okay, so let's tie this all together for you, our listener. Based on this source material we've been digging into, if you live in California, you're over 18 and you have some kind of steady income. This provider, 15mfinance.org, is presented as an option to potentially get up to $900 quickly. The big promises highlighted are no credit check and a really simple, fast application process.
Right. And looking at this specific example, it really underscores how certain financial products are positioned, especially for urgent situations. The source emphasizes speed, simplicity, and accessibility over traditional credit hurdles. So the final thought, perhaps, is about awareness. Understanding how these options are presented, what criteria they actually use according to their own materials, and how that promise of speed and ease fits into your own financial reality when you might be facing an urgent need for funds. It's about seeing the full picture presented,